number leji tsoma la test tele ani menso la tengi khibi yembe thetsa tong berko la tengi khibi rapten ringni khonsongre ke thoni ki chula tholo ke ani lobtri tong gege ngapchi chamjin digi sani la chepep ko thoni ndi sani kha ko lobra re ani gonde kha re ta no yi yicha kha re ani popi ni tong cheong thoni ni ngutro che gelerim chi tu sung gunzu che shimbare ani te ba yita tanda lobtri tso ani sirchin rongrom lobra ko nolo la ani ta kun ro shimbare ani sirchin rongrom lobra ro yina jagar yong ki ani gunzu yup sirchin rongrom lobra chi chag yo batang dige ani lobchen da tig roton te jagar u yong shir le kong ko ani tempi chwa girzon re ta dela yimba yana ani lobchen yimba yana muksir ki ta no chu jongya tang riglam jongya tang ta ga no ying chawa lonchen che la so ba yong ma zu bo rong ki ani sorjing ki ani shiyong ki lamlo gun roton yong dela mongbo chi yo de ba tin chi cha de yo re ni tanda ni tong tig thola ani lobrik chu go ani julon che tang che jimba tin chi cha de sha ta nga zu sirchi lobrin nanglo ki ani lole de cheng nolo la ani ta kun ro shimbare tandi imba yana ani sirchi chugla khonggi ani churag nolo tu cha de kandu ani ta nga zu chugla khong nolo liya ani ta kun ro ya scenario ja kun ro ya scenario o tin cha de kandu de sirchi chugla khong nolo la re tanda kejir wa nambi gomba gu lobchen gun ro tong tong tawa gun ro tong tong dugji gun ro tong da ani dela tak chali te so kar kar nong yu me ani tindik tholang gu chi chim bare de imba yana serchi chula khong ki ani nonglo ke ta tenchu namba yo sa tel cha de yore kejir wa nambi ta tenchu ke ro tong da de gi chi choshim da ani koba gun ro tong da ani tidong re ni ani nongchu ki ani nyongbo tin de yang ani ngu che dong che chim ba ni tong tin de chi cha de gu ani to khron number 2 ani ta thawa number yuksa thola shukchi ani dela chi thawa number gomja tong shandon cho tong ani timde kita namji ani rodon chora ti te khron chola ngu che jim bare ani ta nga ju sirchi chula khonla ani jakur trip ni ta nga ju sirchi serik de chen la ani ta ko roya tin re
you have seen among during the debate, so we special we use EEG and then come on the head and then do research on the what happening while how you sharp your attention. So this is the one type of meditation. So another type of meditation is we have meditation on emptiness, which is the fundamental philosophy of Buddhist philosophy, reality of the everything. So we are doing research also on emptiness. Those months we finished the study, and another one is we call it Tuktam meditation. This is the clear light meditation after your death. So we believe that our mind focus on that very subtle mind focus on that emptiness. So this is another type of research we are going on. This is called Tuktam research. So this is just a brief introduction of our science classes and what kind of research.
ta sirchi pinzu la ngaju ani ta gon ro shimbare ani lobthu nambi ta ji gombi ni tang da ani ndi ko pa tang ani chi chugla khong yong tong da ani teda la sopa la pimase ko nong chu to no shu chimbo chi gindu ani ndezo yimba yana ta khun changma la sawa ro chi cha de yo ba yanza ani gelo changmi ani hajong gawu chi gindu niu chi gindu.
The first settlement happened. Was the settlement being started with this kind of monasteries, or is it with houses?
Yeah, first they make tent.
Okay.
Kurba tent. Yeah, they make. Yeah, we call kursa. They make a tent, then make a small house.
Okay.
Yeah. First time they already become these places forest.
Yes.
So during that time, our elders, around 300 monks who come from Buxar to here, they work so hard to cut all these trees.
Yes.
During that time, they only got 2 rupees for whole day work.
Okay.
Yeah, so they work hard so much. Within the working, they study hard. They do a class, Tibetan class together, because our study has to go continuous. So within the working, cutting these all thick trees, even they were studying. So they're so amazing. We couldn't do.
Yes.
That's why it's unbelievable thinking us. That's why now even we come in
That kind of
there has doing carving means writing on a stone, just like that. Do together.
Yeah. We do write the holy scripts on the stones,
Okay.
but these days we don't do it here.
Yes.
But back home in Tibet we do have.
Okay. So that practice is still in Tibet.
Yeah.
Oh.
Especially in holy place, pilgrimage place, so many people done like write on market.
So those the modern education part. And part of that also monastery trying to kind of like contribute to the social, like we are trying to giving to the Tibetan culture and Tibetan language course, to the variety of students coming to the workshop. Sometimes during the winter time, come some of them from Ladakh, and early this April and May, they have a group of students coming from Arunachal Pradesh. They have been staying there studying. And after that, we are local students coming, and 1 month to that Tibetan culture.
Tata nga tsu po yongi ani sonam yongder tini khongla ani takun roshi batang tiki livshi ki ani sonam yongder khandi ki ani chine sonam ki rotang tang ani tiki ta penyu khar khar yongu yume ani tiki tholya ani Karnataka ki thola ani livshi khongki ani ngutu jiba nongto nongshi baresha ani jagara la yimba yin ndi tarsu chimbo yo yin zal thotri chu gawo chikidu tanda nga zo ani yirong dimba lan jor yori tande yimba yin ta yirong dimba ti yirong sawa yimba yin za ti ni tong mutu chi shimbare
That all of you are not born in this place. And also your parents also, baby. So we arrived in India in 1959. So that time Indian Prime Minister is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. I have seen also him also. So when we arrived in India, that time, then His Holiness the Dalai Lama, he met the Pandit Nehru. Then
I hope Chinese have able design to invite somewhere, they want to capture, they want to locate, and they will able design was there, so then we could not understand the manipulation.
The purchase of the agricultural land was only for resettlement of the Tibetans. So what we did is the AC have accepted the proposal or the prayers we have given to the AC, the then AC. So what we did is the AC final decision came was that the land that you have purchased will the ownership.
One thing is you like the neatness, and you are not just carrying the learning, you will also implement in your campus. Point number 2, you like interacting with them, and you have made efforts to understand their culture, their traditions, and how much difficulty they have had when they come here, and now how they have settled here, how they are trying to move further. Right? That is another aspect.
Shisha,